So, friends, today we are going to talk about the Nobel Prize in Economics. The prize in economics is not one of the Nobel Prizes which were endowed by Alfred Nobel in his will. However, the nomination process, selection criteria, and awards presentation of the prize in economic sciences are performed in a manner similar to that of the original Nobel Prizes. Laureates are announced with the Nobel Prize laureates and receive the awards at the same ceremony. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences takes the responsibility to nominate and select laureates for Royal Nobel Prize for Economics. Each September, the Academy's Economic Prize Committee, which consists of 5 elected members, sends invitation to thousands of scientists, members of academies, and university professors in the numerous countries, asking them to nominate candidates for the prize in economics for the upcoming year. The first prize was awarded to Ragnar Frisch and Jan Tinbergen in 1969 for having developed and applied dynamic models for analysis of economics processes. This year, as we all know, more something like coronavirus, it became more horrified and scared. The novel coronavirus pandemic had spread all over the world. Still, Academy of Sciences took many measures to nominate and select this year's Nobel Prize winners. This year, Nobel Prize in Economic Science has been awarded to Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson for improvement to auction theory and inventions of new auction formats. Paul Robert Milgrom is an American economist. He is the Shirley and Leonard Ellie Professor of Humanities and Sciences at Stanford University, a position he has held since 1987. He is an expert in game theory, especially auction theory and pricing strategies. Robert Butler Wilson was born on 16 May 1937. He is an American economist and the Adams Distinguished Professor of Management, Emeritus of Stanford University. He has also been awarded with the Guggenheim Fellowship for Social Science in 1982. Both economists are from Stanford University in California, and Mr. Milgrom said he received news of their win in a strange way. This year, laureates in economic sciences started out with fundamental theory and later used their result in practical applications, which have spread globally. Their discoveries are of great benefit to our developing society. If you like our video, like and share. If you are new here, then subscribe our channel. We just aim for 2K likes. Thank you.